Finally off from work, you must be very hungry. Do you want to eat something that reminds you your childhood memory? This dish is difficult to find in the restaurant nowadays. Do you know what it is? I believe you also miss this taste. Slice the onion. For tomato, you can eat the whole core. Or for looking good, you can just slice the flesh with the skin. We need some green for the white sauce, therefore I use kale. For the meat, I use chicken breast because it looks tidy for being sliced. Don't worry the texture, it will be very tender when sliced. The marinade includes light soy sauce, salt, cornflour, water, and white pepper powder. These marinations will make the chicken fresh tender too. Sauce is of course very important. For the red sauce, the ingredients include the ketchup, sugar, light soy sauce, white vinegar or lychee vinegar, a pinch of salt, and also water. Then, plenty of eggs. Each grain of rice should be covered with egg. It smells good and looking good when frying. Salt should be added too. We should pay attention to every step and details in order to make the dish perfect. Then we are cooking the red sauce now. Fry the onion, tomato, and then chicken. Add the sauce during high heat. It could bring it to the boil faster and more tasty. Then the chicken flesh will be perfectly done. Gradually add the cornflour water to thicken the sauce. Then the red sauce is done. Keep the red sauce warm. We can start making the white sauce now. Fry the shrimps when the oil is heated. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Add kale and stir fry with high heat. You can firstly take out the shrimps when they are halfly done, just to avoid overcooking the shrimps. Or if you are confident enough to control the heat, you can pour the broth directly. Remember using high heat to bring it to the boil quickly, and make sure you don't overcook the shrimps. Again, thicken the sauce with cornflour water. Add evaporated milk or fresh milk. If you have removed the shrimps beforehand, it's time to bring it back now. The 3 main steps are accomplished, and it is time to make the Yin Yang sauce pattern now. Trust me, follow my recipes. This pair of sweet and white sauce and creamy white sauce is the same taste you experienced during childhood. I can't wait to have a bite now. Let's make it yourself. Every time when you want this classic dish again, make yourself one. And remember, please subscribe my channel, like and share.
All my life